Video presentation of Group 5. Today we will discuss the achievement in the field of science and technology under President Marcos and President Duterte. Almost 21 years as a president of the Philippines, a lawyer, jurist, and politician from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. He is Ferdinand Marcos, the 10th president of Philippines who served from 1965 to 1986. According to some information written in the history book, his administration was covered with many controversials and harass about corruption and human rights. But some of these allegations are not yet proven until now. We cannot deny the fact that there are some people who believe that his administration was the golden age of the Philippines. Achievement in the field of science and technology under Ferdinand Marcos. President Marcos made a great contribution and achievement during his presidency. He started the construction of hydraulic power plant in various parts of the country, as well as roads, bridges, schools, universities, hospitals, theater, and many other reconstructions and initiated of Green Revolution and Blue Revolution. Achievement in the field of science and technology under President Duterte. Among many Filipino scientists who have made significant inventions and discoveries in the development of science and technology, President Rodrigo Duterte also contributed several for the nation's progress of innovation as the 60th and the current president of the Philippines. Although not an inventors or nor discoverers being as a president has contribution towards scientific progression affects and influence an entire nation with plays a large role in the technological growth of the country. Using his leadership, the president has created several notable changes in the first half of his term. The Duterte administration gave reassurance of its commitment of the science, technology, and innovation sector. Balik Science Law, signed by the President on June 15, 2018, as Republic Act No. 11035, a renewed government effort to draw Filipino scientists back home by funding them to set up their own research lab aiming to solve the country's most pressing problems such as climate change, mutations, R&D assistance. De La Peña said the DOST together with President Duterte assisted more than 1,000 research and development projects all over the country with 65% already completed. The Mactan Cebu International Airport project involves construction of a new world-class passenger terminal that's supported by President Duterte, additional radars for future improved weather forecasting. President Duterte's main challenge is to build a sufficiently research environment that will sustain efforts to solve the country's most pressing problem. Radical change is difficult to achieve within the next 6 years, but the Philippines could only hope with the new administration that science will finally take the limelight in the policy agenda. That's all. Thank you for watching.